हेलो, हाय, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। और एक बार फिर से आ गया हूँ मैं आप लोगों के बीच। जी हाँ, शो वही है जिसके बारे में आप लोग जानते हैं, फेस इन द क्राउड। हर बार हम सोसाइटी से एक और ऐसी शख्सियत को आप लोगों के पास लेकर आते हैं जो कि चेंजेस ला रहे हैं सोसाइटी में और लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं, चेंज कर रहे हैं और अवेयर कर रहे हैं, अराइज कर रहे हैं, उनको बहुत सारी चीजें, नई नई चीजें बता रहे हैं, बहुत सी पॉजिटिविटी लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आजकल के खास समय में, जबकि 2025 चल रहा है और बहुत सारी हम लोग जो चीजें देख रहे हैं वो नेगेटिव हमें मिल रही है, तो सबके बीच में वो पॉजिटिविटी लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो एक और ऐसी शख्सियत है हम लोगों के बीच जिनके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ बातें बताऊंगा, उनसे आपको मिलवाऊंगा, लेकिन पहले उनके बारे में आपको कुछ बातें बताता हूं। जी हाँ, joining us today is Miss Pradnya Shetty. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
A qualified chartered accountant with background in BCom and a solid career in corporate finance. She has worked extensively as an accountant and also explored the niche world of forensic accounting and financial investigation. Wow, that's wonderful and fascinating. Forensic के बारे में कुछ सवाल मैं भी पूछूंगा मैम।
Sure.
In 2023, she launched Lumina Breeze as a passion project, and today she leads it full-time as a thriving venture. From balancing balance sheets to building a brand, Pradnya's journey is one of courage, creativity, and calculated risk. Let's dive into her inspiring story. Ma'am, good afternoon. How are you? And very warm welcome in Facebook.
Yeah, thank you so much for this warm welcome. Actually, आपने जितना अच्छा introduction दिया है, शायद मैं खुद भी अपना नहीं दे पाती. So thank you so much for this lovely introduction and thank you for making me be here. Thank you.
Hey, first and fast, tell us about your journey with your life, with your business, with especially your life path. Yeah.
So Lumina Breeze has been a beautiful chapter in my life, in my career, in my overall path. So it's about exploring myself. It's about discovering myself, discovering the true purpose of my life. And yes, it has been a shift from the corporate world to this business, and it has given me a lot. It has taught me a lot, and this is a lovely journey for being with Lumina Breeze.
Oh, wow,
Yes,
wonderful.
yeah.
अच्छा, ये स्पेशली ये ब्रीज और लुमिना, ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया? फिजिक्स में हमने पढ़ा था लुमिना से luminous, you know,
Yes.
रोशनी, उसके हिसाब से.
Yes, yes.
So how you got that idea?
Actually, I was like very much troubled with the synthetic clothing, and our climate is mostly hot and humid in Mumbai, in India, almost most of the parts of India, and getting breeze into this world filled with sunshine. So Lumina is represents sunshine and breeze is breeze. So
Breeze.
we bring breeze in this world of filled with sunshine. Yes, that's how the word Lumina breeze.
Okay, the second question. When did you start working and how have you evolved as a business woman and human being?
I started working immediately right after I cleared my chartered accountant
Which is actually
exams.
the difficult one.
Yes, it is difficult one, and it is a journey in itself. So I feel myself very proud of being a chartered accountant. So after clearing this exam, I joined corporate, and I worked with the multiple corporates for a few number of years. And while that life taught me a lot of logic, structure, and discipline, it hardly was about any fulfillment. So that led me to the journey to think about, what am I chasing in my life? Is it a soul or structure? So that shift from structure to soul is about Lumina Breeze.
Oh.
So here I'm, more aligned with my soul, what I want to do, my purpose is, and it's more about listening to your customers, aligning with your purpose, aligning with what you like to do in most of a period of time of the day. And it's about listening to your vendors, customers, So it's a beautiful journey, and it has evolved me as a person. It has evolved me to learn that business is not just about numbers, but it's about energy, it's about purpose, and it's about empathy, like how you understand other people, how you talk to them. It's about more about people management. So this way, this business has evolved me a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nicely explained.
Thank you.
You also once told me about the Corona period, you know,
Yes.
the lockdown period, and
Yes.
then you just came to know with this idea of living a place.
Yes.
You also please tell us about that, because what they say that necessity is the mother of invention.
Correct.
तो
Correct.
वो फिर उस वक्त शायद ऐसा रहा.
Yes, yes. So during COVID, it was a pause for the world, and for me too. So it was everything was to a still, and that made me think a lot about myself, what I want to be, what I want to achieve in my life. And during that period, I started doing yoga. So that was my companion for that period, to go, to talk to myself, to understand my own body. So I started understanding myself more during that period. But while I was doing yoga, I found that I'm not getting proper clothing to do yoga, because people used to wear gym clothing for yoga, and which is take all the brands, all the top brands. So their clothing involve microplastics, synthetics.
They're making actually the gym clothes.
Yes, so gym clothing was being used for yoga. So I searched for right clothing for myself, but I didn't find the right clothing. And when I started interacting with the more women in our groups, I understood that this is a common problem. So people were actually adjusting with the clothing. And skin is the largest organ of your body, and which needs breath. And by using synthetic clothing, knowingly or unknowingly, you are filling chemicals in your body through your skin. So that is why what you wear is very, very, very much important, because that makes you go within, that makes you understand your body.
Yes.
And soul.
So you feel actually confident in your own way,
Yes,
in
exactly.
your style. What they say that the fashion is especially depends on you, how you are carrying.
Correct. So it's not about chasing trend, but it's about understanding yourself and carrying yourself more confidently and elegantly. Yes.
Okay, what made you choose the field of especially fashion and business as your life path?
I would say I was never, it was never planned to enter fashion, but
Apart
the
from
need
that,
to,
because you were the CA.
yeah. As I said, the need to find the right yoga wear made me enter into this business. And as I could see, I have to. So people are using gym clothing, and this is a big change I need to bring to. So it was a very strugglesome thing to make people understand what they're wearing is not good for them, and what they should wear, because cotton is our heritage, India's heritage, and we should go back to that, and we should be making use of more and more breathable and natural fibers to be ourselves, to stay very easy in this humid and hot climate. So that was the reason I chose this path. And gradually, as I started interacting with more customers, they were so happy, and they were so happy that someone could understand this need, which they had not identified as a problem. Someone has identified it for them, and not only identified as a problem, but is giving a solution for them. Yes, so they were happy to embrace this clothing, and I got a very good response. So from there, I thought of shifting to this as a full-time career.
Wow, nice. So that is a nice journey. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
What is the greatest lesson you got from your customers?
I would say customers are so lovely and they teach you from their small feedbacks. I would not say
Yes.
great lessons, but you know the small feedbacks like, oh, this neckline is so nice. I would have preferred this much over this.
Hmm.
You know this yeah, the
It's
simplest
kind of
thing.
actually the feedbacks,
Feedbacks
little
and the
small
simplest smallest thing like, you know, the your pocket entry is
Hmm.
like wide and good, you have got wider pockets.
feedbacks.
So these kinds of feedback made me understand what people want, and that was the greatest lesson for me. Knowingly or unknowingly people talk to their bodies themselves and they know what they want, and I'm just making them you know, make it more frequently and understand their bodies very well. So these are small lessons, but which again lead to a cumulative large impact on creating a brand.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Yes, nice. Okay. If you had not been working, what would you be doing?
I can't
Okay,
imagine myself not working, but definitely something in the space of healing.
Hmm.
Because I feel the human being is being
Need to be
here
healed,
in this
yes.
world needs a continuous healing. So maybe creating some mindful spaces, you know, teaching people to live mindfully. That could have been my path, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, वैसे एक और अच्छी चीज स्पेशली इनके साथ होती है बिकॉज यू आर अ सीए, तो अब इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान वगैरह बनाने के लिए और बाद में अगर इनकम टैक्स वगैरह फाइल करना है तो जरूरत किसी की नहीं होती
नहीं
होगी।
होती है
कुछ चीज
वो
करना
बहुत
होती है।
हाँ वो
Oh,
जीएसटी
okay,
फाइल
you really need that,
करना
okay.
जीएसटी फाइल करना, अकाउंटिंग करना, इसके लिए किसी को हायर नहीं करना पड़ता है, एंड दैट इज इवन I have the past experiences, past you know working experiences are helping me a lot in my business decision making, because
फायदा
I
तो
have
होता है
seen
पढ़ाई का कुछ
yes because I have seen big people, like big successful people working on their ventures very closely, so which helps me a lot in my decision makings.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you do in your free time? How do you juggle your hobbies with your career?
I would say my business is not different from me as a from my hobby. So fabric is my hobby. I love to be surrounded by fabric. Put on of fabric. Yes. I love to
वो
be
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, वो
between
जो
the fabric.
satin भी है और सिल्क भी है, साथ में कॉटन भी
पूरा
है।
कॉटन होना चाहिए
Oh, wow.
पूरा. I like to be surrounded by cottons, linens, and all natural fibers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's a love which I have. That's a hobby. So going to various vendors, sourcing the fabrics has been my hobby. So I think
Wow.
I'm living my hobby to the fullest. But apart from that, I like to live slow mornings, like getting up aram se, sipping tea, listening to music, journaling. So this slow life I like a lot for myself.
Oh, wow, wow, nice. मतलब ये ऐसी स्लो लाइफ तो वैसे ज्यादातर सबको चाहिए।
Yes,
क्या करना है,
it's a
मुझे
fantasy
it's a
for the
fantasy,
people living in city.
Yes.
But I just wish कि all of us get more such moments in our life.
Yes. I have done that, especially क्या है कि कुछ वक्त तो जरूर होता है वो, कभी किसी संडे पर कर लिया, सैटरडे, और ये भी, बट आई अंडरस्टैंड इट, टेल मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बट इस लाइफ तक जाने के लिए जो लेजी मॉर्निंग वाली लाइफ है, पहले काफी हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है ना?
हाँ जी.
Actually, you did a lot of hard work, then actually you can do it now.
Yes, and you need a lot of clarity on what you are doing, a lot of clarity of what you have to do, what you are building and all. Then only you can have such peaceful mornings and peaceful things. Yes, a lot of hard work has to be there, and you need to be true to yourself and honest to yourself. If you keep on lying to yourself, then it becomes a mess. So clarity brings a lot of peace in your life.
Okay. Now the next thing, the famous rapid fire of ours. I think you're ready for that.
Sure.
The best advice you got in your career?
Best advice is don't chase perfection. Perfection is myth.
Okay, oh nice.
Yeah.
Perfection is myth.
Yeah.
Okay. The happiest moment of your life?
When my son was born.
Okay, you wanna share the name?
Shreyansh, he's 20 years old.
Nice name.
Thank you.
The saddest moment of your life.
Yet to come.
Okay, well, actually, especially not feel anything at the sad moment. Okay. Challenging moment of your life.
Leaving accounting job as a permanently and switching to this. That was the
challenging.
toughest decision for my life.
Actually, yes, also it paid well. कि especially वो income tax और GST के वक्त दिक्कत नहीं होती है.
Yes, due dates.
Yes. Okay. Your favorite actor?
Manoj Bajpayee.
Wow, अच्छा. ठीक है लग रहा है. Gangs actually your boys or something like
No,
that.
no,
हाँ,
not a family
है
man. Yes.
Okay. Favorite actress?
Madhuri Dixit.
Dancers or actress?
Dancer and best expressions.
Best expression.
Yeah.
Favorite book?
Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Yeah, it's about finance and about wealth creation. How you
Wow.
so it has shifted my thinking a lot.
अच्छा तभी मैं कहूँ मैंने क्यों अभी तक नहीं सुनी मुझे स्पिरिचुअलिटी की पता थी नॉवेल्स पता थे ये नया कुछ आया फाइनेंस वाला ओके फेवरेट हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन
Switzerland.
Oh, I wish actually I would go there one day.
Interlaken,
It's
to be specific, in Switzerland.
beautiful in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Okay, so about the famous rapid fire round, and you played it very well. Okay, some insights of your life, an idea that changed your life.
An idea that changed my life is starting Lumina Breeze was the idea that changed my life because it gave me it led me find a true myself.
Okay. What does success mean to you?
I think success is, I would challenge the societal definitions of success. It's more than revenue and recognition. It's about how you think
Correct.
of yourself, how you look at yourself as a person. I think that is a success, and more than that, I would say कि when a customer tells me कि when we open the wardrobe, the first thing we touch is Lumina Breeze. So that is success for me.
Also, can I see like that? You know, the success and happiness they are two different things.
Correct.
Sometimes
Correct.
people get it along
Yes.
with each other.
Yes.
That is not.
Yes.
What do you say?
I think success is more about how you grow yourself. So it's about your previous version of yourself to
The new
current
version
version of yourself. So it's from how you started and where you are.
Yes.
So there should
journey
be
of yours.
growth. Yes. So there is, if there is a consistent growth, so instead of comparing with yourself with your peers or with other people, you have to compare yourself with your previous version, how you make it better in terms of making fulfilled life, in terms of living a happy life, and understanding what you want, understanding yourself. I think that is more about a successful life.
Okay, that is a tricky one now. The best role of your life, mother, wife, daughter, or CA, or businesswoman.
I would say for life, my best role is as a mother, as a mindful mother who is struggling to interact with the next generation.
Okay.
And
Now
to
Gen Z is there,
understand-
especially Gen Z is going on.
Yes, to understand them. I think this is a beautiful and very fulfilling journey for me, and
You're
it
actually
makes
learning the
me
new words.
yes,
with them.
yes, and it is so enriching.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Now this or that, I'm giving you the option. You have to choose. Okay, you
Okay.
ready for that?
Yes,
Okay. Veg or non-veg?
pure veg,
Tea or coffee?
टी अदरक वाली,
अच्छा ये अदरक वाली चाय वाले हैं भाई.
बहुत सारी अदरक वाली
मुझे तो इसलिए नहीं पता चलता कि क्या पसंद दोनों कर चुका हूँ. चाय क्योंकि यूपी आगरा से रहा हूँ तो चाय बहुत ही पिए.
हाँ जी,
तो वो दूध के साथ ही बना के मिलती है. वो पानी वाली आप बेटक नहीं पाओगे,
हाँ जी,
पी नहीं पाओगे. और उसके बाद फिर ये कॉफी की यहाँ आदत लगी तो ये अदरक वाली चाय मुझे भी याद है. टपरी पर आपने कभी चाय पी है? ऐसी
हाँ
कोई
जी,
बनवाते हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कटिंग,
वाह,
यस,
वंडरफुल।
अदरक ज्यादा डलवा के।
तो मतलब ये वाला, हाँ, ये जोन नहीं है कि यार मैं चायोस में जाऊंगे या
नहीं नहीं,
किसी भी
चायोस भी पसंद है।
जहाँ पीऊँ वहाँ
यस,
ठीक है, अपनी क्वालिटी की चाय मिल जाए।
मिल जाएगी, कस्टमाइज चाहिए बस।
सही है। साधु संत जैसे लोग हैं हम, यू नो, ना काऊ से दोस्ती ना काऊ से बैर, राजा भी रंग भी, दोनों हालतों में कहीं मिल जाए। वाह, वंडरफुल। ओके, जिम और योगा।
योगा,
तो योगा डे अभी गया है
हाँ
आपने
जी,
क्या
मैंने
किया?
उस दिन योगा किया। we did a very good event with Namaste Yoga classes
वाह,
in Santa Cruz. Yes, it was a great day for us.
इसलिए आज स्पेशली उन्होंने हरियाली वाली ड्रेस भी पहनी है for the
Yes.
yoga day. Okay. Now early rise or night owl?
Early rise,
Emotional or practical?
mix of both.
Okay, so you are emotionally practical or practically emotional?
I'm practically emotional.
Okay. Books or Kindle?
Books.
Okay. Same here, the especially the smell,
Smell.
aromas.
Yes.
तीन स्मेल जिसको अक्सर हम याद करते हैं,
Yes.
तो बारिश के बाद सौंधी मिट्टी की और बुक्स की, जो पन्ने खासकर जब नई बुक आती है, वो
Yes.
पुरानी आदत, और पेट्रोल की कई सारे लोगों को जो पसंद होती है वो आती है उड़ते उड़ते। ओके, और भी होती हैं लेकिन सबके अलग अलग उसमें जोन होते हैं, किसी को सेंट पसंद है, परफ्यूम पसंद है। ओके, माउंटेन्स और बीचेस।
Beaches.
ओके, मतलब हैव यू बीन एनी ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस अपार्ट फ्रॉम
Yeah.
मुंबई, मतलब कुछ और जो देखे हों, अच्छे लगे हों?
Yeah, so a beautiful beach in Belgium, I remember. So काफी cool breeze था, and it's a very pretty beach. I don't remember the name exactly right now, but I remember the experience of being there. Yeah.
अभी मैं और सवाल नहीं पूछूंगा, जैसे
क्यों?
पूछता हूँ, मैं फिजी में गई हूँ, मैं स्विट्जरलैंड में गई हूँ, मैं यहाँ बीच पर थी, मैंने इस शहर के, इस देश में, इस शहर में नाश्ता किया है।
नहीं, इंडिया
तो
में
ये
भी
तो हमें दुनिया
नहीं,
घुमा
नहीं,
देती
I
है।
would counter you there. I love India's beaches as well, and
लेकिन
the beaches in
yeah,
Konkan and Mangalore are also
yeah.
very beautiful. So I like that coastline starting from Goa to Mangalore. So that is,
उडुपी वाला मैंने बीच देखा डेफिनेटली,
yes,
एंड इट्स
yes.
लवली।
So those are lovely beaches on that patch.
नहीं, मैं तो इस वजह से कह रहा हूँ, आप फिर से हमें दुनिया घुमाओगे कुछ ना कुछ। ओके, नाउ ओके, रिलीजियस और स्पिरिचुअल।
Spiritual.
whom you read then for the spirituality? ये सब लोग अलग अलग कुछ फॉलो कर रहे हो,
हाँ जी.
कुछ
So
अपना
this is
एक
very
thought है।
personal to me, which I don't discuss much. But since you are asking, I am a strong follower of Jainism. So it's not as a religion, but as a spirituality. So yes,
Oh, Mahavir.
I follow Mahavir and Tirthankars. So whatever they have, we call it as a Deshna. Whatever they have given to their, passed on to us as a learning.
Yes,
So
yes.
I read it, I follow it as a custom, not as a custom, but as a lifestyle also.
Lifestyle sense.
Yes.
ओके, सो ये थी आज हम लोगों के साथ प्रार्थना शेट्टे, जिन्होंने हमें अपनी लाइफ के बारे में खासकर काफी सारी चीजें बताई और लोगों को इंस्पिरेशन भी दी, और इंस्पिरेशन के साथ साथ बहुत सी वाली चीजें भी हम लोगों को बताई कि किस तरह से आप जब स्विच करते हो अपने आप को फ्रॉम वन फील्ड टू अनदर, तो काफी सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बट उस चैलेंजेस को पार करना भी अपने आप में स्पेशली एक मौका लेकर आता है जो आपको बदलता है और बदलने की कुव्वत भी रखता है। वेल, वेरी वेलकम हियर। लेकिन
Thank you
अब जाने से पहले अगर आपको कुछ और मैसेज किसी को देना हो, प्लीज।
Yeah, I would say listen to yourself and follow what you want and enjoy your life. Yes, that's it.
बाकी बस जल्दी से पहले फेस इन द ग्राउंड में हम लोग दोबारा आप लोगों से मिलेंगे। स्टे ट्यून्ड, बी विद अस। और बस मैं यही कहूंगा जाने से पहले, बहुत सारी रोशनी हम लोगों के यहाँ दिख रही है, ब्रीज भी आ रही है, तो लुमिनास एंड ब्रीज।
Yeah,
Stay
Lumina
tuned with
Breeze.
us. Lumina
Thank
Breeze.
you.
Thank you.